So you can have a little fun while improving your posture with jump rope tricks. Let's give you a few examples of tricks that can help enhance your posture. The first trick is high knees. Focus on engaging your core and maintaining upright posture throughout the exercise. This trick helps strengthen your hip flexors and encourages proper alignment of the spine. Next, we have jump rope squats. Squats help strengthen your leg muscles and promote good posture by engaging your core and maintaining an upright stance. Next, we have cross arms jumps. This trick challenges your coordination and helps improve your posture by engaging the muscles in your back and shoulders. Next, single leg jumps. This exercise improves balance, strengthens your lower body, and encourages proper alignment of the spine and hips. Next, we have the figure 8 jump. This trick engages your core and back muscles, helping to improve your posture and stability. Comment below with your favorite trick out of these 5. Now, before you try any of these advanced tricks, do make sure you have the basics down first. Now, you want to check out this video right here, and it'll let you know how to do all the basics. Now, you can also check out my podcast where I talk about how the jump rope contributes to many parts of your body. And as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.